I'm down on bending knees. Shit, let me go for your ring.
Watch me act stupid. Down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. For today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different from what I usually do, but it should be fun. I'll be doing the smash, pass, or married thingy. It's the dancehall version, so it's definitely going to be fun. But let me also add that I love all these women music, and I respect them as women. This is all for fun and game, and for everyone to have a laugh. Now, since you're here right now, please just like this video and share it. Help me grow the channel. You know what? I'm gonna grab a bottle of Magnum, Jamaican style. You don't know. Yeah. So this one called Sip and Talk. Me not joke. Me just a laugh. Yeah. Let's get into it. Right now, she's a hot topic. The Angel. Yo. The pictures that I'm seeing leaked from her OnlyFans have me wanting to subscribe to it. I'm not gonna lie. The Angel is a hot MILF. You know, she probably taller than I am. Yeah. But I think I could lift her up. You know, slim but have a look her power to the thing. Yeah. So definitely smash for the Angel. Can't pass on that. You understand? It's a hot MILF. But I'll probably give her, now go rate her. That's for the next video. Next person on the hit list. Ashansia. Yeah. Sheneesa. The songs, man, I tell you. Side chick song. Wouldn't be a side D man. Yeah, man. Definitely. Definitely smash. There's no question about it. It's just that, you know, Sheneesa is an uptown girl, so it's a possibility she gonna want to bow me up as a little downtown youth, and me not really in the bow thing. So you see this face? This is no sitting place. However, would I still smash? You understand with a mask on, cause you know I don't really want nobody sit down in my face and them things. Talking about sitting place and sitting face. The original bad girl of dancehall when it comes to what most Jamaicans consider nastiness in a dancehall or bedroom. Cecile. What? Maybe 15, 18, probably 20 years since Cecile sing that song. Them a talk but how them woulda never do it. Yeah, as a child, I think I did a remix to that song. It was like, oh my god, how it went. Them a talk, but how them woulda never do it. Cecile, stop lying, me know you're free. Suck off me, come here. Yo, it was years ago, I don't really remember it. But, yeah man, since my face is not a sitting place as me established before, I would definitely smash Cecile. No doubt about it. Hot girl Cecile. Hot MILF as well. Next person on the hit list, Lisa Hype. Or Lisa Swiper. Well, I've seen the tape. And I'm not impressed. You understand, Lisa? Plus, Lisa does seem like she does vulgar. She don't load up the thing. You understand? We get it on a private session and you know, let's go up on the social media and tell the whole world. You understand? You know, sometimes a girl who aggressive, you probably feel upon the first try. Just imagine that happen. With Lisa Swiper. She don't tell the whole world. Broadcast the face, in my opinion. So I personally would pass. You understand? But a good artist still. She'll make her comeback. Next person, Mayan. Well, she's an upcoming artist from what I've seen on her social media. Yeah, she's a pretty good artist, you know, and she's very hot, you know. I like slim chicks. I don't mind any other body, but I just prefer slim chicks because you know you can lift them up and run around the room and you know. Yeah, so I would definitely smash Mayan. Next person on the hit list, sip a next Magnum. I'll have a next sip of Magnum. Jayda Kingdom. Champion bubbler. Feel like Jayda would have mashed me up. You understand? As in, you see, because she thick and me. I love a female who I can kind of lift. Me maga, so me always kind of go for slim females. But Jayda, me not pass on Jayda. Hell no. That ass is a definite smash. Yeah, man. We broke down the bed, Jayda. Yeah? So it's a smash for Jayda. Next person on the list, Ishawna. Bumper to your forehead. Cover my forehead there, man. No, Aishi. I love you, but can't take a bumper to my forehead. You understand? Bumper to bumper traffic is always a mess. You understand? Just if you hit somebody with your bumper right now, you will get wrong. You understand? So no bumper to my forehead. But definitely Ishawna. The first time I saw Ishawna live, it was in Westmoreland at a little party. She performed. She come in all white thing. Her breast just did and it just stiff. So my spouse and I went and she there back I crowd and me there front. Come here see me half to see Ishawna stiff titty them. Yeah man, so I love Ishawna, her music up as well. Only fan up me here. Yeah man, so it's definitely a smash, but I don't cover me for it. You understand? Cause no bumper to it. Next person, Maka Diamond. Maka Diamond I go on with a bag of things off lately. You understand? A troop and what you call it? Cucumber. And I talk a bag of things. But Maka could have probably be my mother, so as much as Maka go on with a crocus bag of things, probably would have just passed. But I listen Maka Diamond from she name Lady Mackerel, you see me? So shout out to Maka. Yeah man. Next person is Spice. Oh my gosh. Queen of Dancehall. Queen of the pack. But me not gonna lie, Spice make me afraid. When I see Spice performing on stage and how she handle the men them, you understand, me just feel like Spice and just take me so. See me skinny and just chew me so. Boof! Yo, it feel like says Spice in our bedroom would be World War. After she done handle me, emergency room I pick me up. So as much as me love Spice and Spice music, me I go pass on Spice. But you see Grace, I mean not talk about Grace food products. No Grace mackerel around here. Me I talk about Grace Hamilton. Oh my gosh. Grace, come here. Me can't pass man Grace. Smash, oh my god, it's the next level. So of all the persons on this list, when I smash her pass, Grace would have married you. Yeah. Grace is just a different person from Spice. You know, Spice is aggressive, crowd pleaser. You understand? But Grace is a little more subtle, a family lady. You know, me like that. We look like we can make passionate love, you know? So Grace, I couldn't find the big diamond ring. It seemed like the owner were gone. But I have a 14 karat gold ring here. So what you say? I'm down on bended knees. Are you gonna meet me at the altar in your white dress? Let me hear from you. Yeah, I'm ready. Are you? And we're not signing the prenup. Because I will never leave. And if you feel like you want to leave, I don't want 50%. Just give me 10. Alright peeps, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it the thumbs up. Please share the video, help me grow the channel. Subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink